Guys, today for the Bitcoin price, we have something really obvious, but everyone needs to see this. In this video, I will show you guys anything you need to know for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is about to move really big. I know I've been saying this in my last few videos, but this is probably the time for Bitcoin. It's going to be absolutely insane. Also, I just got a new setup here. You can finally see my screen again. I'm finally back from vacation. Let's go. Let's just jump straight into the charts. I'm really hyped. Bitcoin is about to move big. I'm just really excited for Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin finally starts the next big move up, it means everyone is going to make money. And that's really exciting. So let me show you guys what I have for you guys right here. First of all, we have this falling wedge right here. We can clearly see it's a falling wedge, and now we broke out of the falling wedge, of course, 2 days ago. Clear breakout, and now we are currently retesting this falling wedge. So this is one of the signs that we could potentially have seen a breakout, retest, and then another pump up, which happens a lot in Bitcoin and in just trading overall, which is really bullish. Also, if I now show you guys this, we can see that yesterday, or my video before yesterday, I of course told you guys about this double top. It happened. We got a perfect retest of our massive area of resistance right here, so we couldn't quite break it yet. However, currently we are creating a potential double bottom over on the 1 hour chart. Let me show you guys. We can see we have a little bit of support right here, and if we can see right here we have one touch. This is potentially the second touch, and if we zoom in a lot more, we can also see that this is potentially going to be a hammer candle, which is also really bullish, which means that we could potentially start the next big move from there. So that are two signs of a bullish move for Bitcoin in the next couple of days. Now I also have this chart for you guys right here. We all know that we have been creating a massive, basically a massive bull flag, bull channel or bull flag, yeah. So if we break out, we actually broke out right here, and we can now see that we are retesting this massive bull flag. We can see clear retest right here, and now we could potentially send up. If we hold this level right here, this downward sloping support line, which turned from resistance into support, then that is going to be really bullish as well. 3 signs right now. We have 3 signs of a potential massive pump for Bitcoin. So yeah, we have 3 signs right now. Also, if we look at Bitcoin right here, I'm going to show you guys a 4th sign of a massive pump. And yes, guys, you probably already have seen it in my videos, but I'm really optimistic for Bitcoin right now. I'm just expecting a massive pump. I've been trading Bitcoin a long time, and this is one of those obvious moments that we're probably going to see a crazy pump for Bitcoin. I'm really excited for this. That's also why I have a lot of positions open right now on Pepe, over on Bitcoin, Ethereum. If you want to see those positions, make sure to go to the second link in the description, I think. Make sure to follow my Telegram channel. I will post some of my positions right there. But for now, let me show you guys this chart. We can see we currently saw a lot of declining volume in our last drop. So I'm talking about this right there. We saw a massive declining volume and declining price. And then we finally saw a massive breakout in the price, in the volume, and this caused a massive pump in the volume as well. We can see decreasing volume, decreasing price always leads to a massive pump for Bitcoin. And exactly that is happening, and it's even more clear right here. We can clearly see that we have a really clear declining volume together with some declining price. Which is most of the time a really good sign of a potential massive pump for Bitcoin. And we all know right now that our next area of resistance, if we finally break our yearly high, is all the way going to be, yes guys, at $36,000 right freaking here. It's going to be absolutely insane. We have 4 signs right now of a massive pump for Bitcoin. It's going to be absolutely crazy. I'm so excited for this. I will try to upload daily for you guys again, because Bitcoin is finally starting to cook up again. I'm really excited. So yeah, that is the video for now. 4 signs of a potential massive pump. Of course, it could still take a few days, few weeks potentially for this pump, but a potential pump for Bitcoin is here. All the signs, all the charts, all the indicators are currently showing a massive pump for Bitcoin. Also today we saw the CPI, which came out not really bullish, not really bearish, pretty neutral, which is also good for the FOMC meeting, of course. Going to be a long time away, but still, the CPI definitely counts in for how the FOMC is going to react, of course. If we're going to get another rate hike. For now, we can see that we got, let me quickly show you guys, we got 3.2%, previous 3%, so we got a little bit of a pump in the inflation. Doesn't really matter. So yeah, this is currently what is happening for Bitcoin. 4 clear signs of a potential pump for Bitcoin. That's why I'm currently positioning myself into some Bitcoin positions, in Bitcoin longs, all those kind of things. If you want to sign up, if you want to trade Bitcoin, then make sure to go to the first link in the description. Sign up for a Bybit account using the first link in the description. If you do so, you will get up to $30,000 in possible bonuses. That being said, I hope I will see you in my next Bitcoin video.